Christmas is a season of joy, warmth, and memories. It's the time when families gather, homes glow with festive lights, and the air feels just a little more magical. But for many of us, the pressure to decorate beautifully can feel overwhelming, especially when working with a limited budget. The good news? A stunning Christmas home isn't about how much money you spend. It's about the intention, the creativity, and the heart behind every single detail. In this video, I'm going to show you how the simplest materials, even items already inside your home, can be transformed into magical Christmas decor. We'll bring coziness into every corner, turn old decorations into something new, and use nature itself to create beauty without spending much at all. So grab a cup of hot chocolate, relax, and get ready to turn your home into a beautiful holiday retreat, while still saving money for the gifts, food, and laughter that truly make Christmas unforgettable. Natural DIY wreath. Start with a simple DIY wreath using pine branches, ribbons, or dried oranges. It brings a warm and welcoming holiday vibe to your entryway. There's something symbolic about a wreath, a warm welcome even before someone knocks on your door. But instead of buying expensive ones, step outside and gather what nature offers for free: pine leaves, eucalyptus, or twigs with beautiful winter textures. Wrap them into a circle using a wire frame, or even a bent hanger, and finish with a bow made from leftover ribbon. You can add dried orange slices for a festive pop of color and a hint of fresh holiday scent. Or tie tiny ornaments that you no longer use on the tree. Every wreath becomes a story, something created by your hands, inspired by the natural beauty around you. Your guests will feel the Christmas cheer before they even step inside. Fairy lights ambience. Fairy lights are budget-friendly and instantly create magic. Wrap them around shelves or mirrors for a sparkling Christmas glow. Fairy lights have a magical power. They transform an ordinary space into a dreamy holiday scene. Instead of limiting them to the tree, wrap them around headboards, windows, curtain rods, bookshelves, or even across the ceiling. Choose warm white lights for a cozy home feel, or soft gold for a more elegant holiday atmosphere. You can also place them inside lanterns or mason jars to create beautiful glowing accents on tables and corners. Fairy lights are affordable, reusable, and endlessly versatile. Just one string can change the entire mood of your home, filling it with warmth, comfort, and a sparkle that feels like pure Christmas joy. Repurpose old ornaments. Instead of buying new ornaments, repaint or decorate the old ones. Put them in bowls or glass jars for a stylish centerpiece. Many of us have boxes full of old ornaments that have lost their shine. But with a little creativity, they can become brand new decorations. Try repainting them in modern metallic tones, like gold, silver, or champagne. Add glitter for sparkle, wrap them with jute rope for rustic charm, or combine different textures for a rich holiday visual. Place them in glass bowls as centerpieces, hang them from branches, or glue multiple ornaments into a decorative garland. Not only do you save money, but you also create a style that feels personalized, sophisticated, and full of new life. Christmas textiles. Christmas-themed pillow covers and throws change the vibe instantly. Plaid, red, or green textiles create a holiday feeling effortlessly. Soft textures bring warmth, and warmth is what makes Christmas feel like home. By simply swapping out your cushions and blankets, you can completely shift the mood of a room. Go for classic Christmas tones, deep reds, rich greens, cozy creams, and bold tartans. Choose knits, faux fur, or cotton to add layers of comfort and richness. Even one new throw blanket can make the whole space feel festive and inviting. It's affordable, impactful, and guaranteed to boost that home for the holidays feeling. Paper decor crafts. Paper snowflakes, paper stars, and garlands cost almost nothing, yet they fill your walls with festive charm. You don't need fancy materials to create something beautiful. Paper, one of the most affordable supplies you can find, can turn into charming Christmas decorations. Cut out snowflakes with unique shapes and tape them to windows for a snowy feeling indoors. Create paper stars to hang across walls or a long garland to drape over the tree. Kids will love joining in, and these little crafting moments become memories themselves. It's not just about decorating, it's about filling your home with joy, family connection, and creativity. Holiday scented candles. Scent is a big part of Christmas. Add budget-friendly cinnamon or pine candles to instantly set a cozy mood. Christmas isn't only seen, it's felt with all the senses. The scent of cinnamon, pine, warm vanilla, or freshly baked cookies brings a wave of comforting nostalgia. Place affordable candles on side tables, near the entryway, or as a centerpiece. Use candle holders you already own, or wrap the base with twine and greenery for a rustic holiday look. Dim the lights, let the candles flicker. And suddenly your home feels like a quiet, peaceful retreat from the cold winter outside. Mini Christmas tree. A small Christmas tree can still look luxurious when decorated with handmade ornaments. Not everyone has space for a large tree, and that's okay. A small tabletop tree can be just as beautiful and meaningful. Decorate it with tiny ornaments, bows made from leftover ribbon, or small wooden crafts for a minimalist Scandinavian style. Place it in the bedroom, on a kitchen counter, or even beside your workspace, anywhere you want an extra spark of holiday cheer. Christmas isn't about size. It's about the spirit each little moment brings into your heart. Decorative gift boxes. Wrap empty boxes as display gifts, place them near the tree or on shelves for a whimsical touch. Gift boxes are incredibly charming, even when they're empty. Wrap in used boxes in festive paper and stack them like displays around your tree or fireplace. Add ribbons, tags, or little ornaments to make them look like real gifts. They fill the space beautifully and make your home feel full, joyful, and ready for celebration. It's the easiest and most affordable holiday decor hack, and it always works. Festive dining setup. Set the dining table with small festive details, napkin holders, greenery in jars, and warm candlelight. The dining table is where some of the best Christmas memories happen. Family dinners, laughter, stories shared over warm meals. So let's make that space feel special. Use a simple table runner, even a piece of fabric you already have, and add greenery, candles, or ornaments as a centerpiece. Fold napkins creatively and tie them with twine or plaid ribbon for a personal touch. Even the smallest detail can make a dinner feel like a celebration. Natural elements styling. Bring nature inside. Pine cones, berries, and twigs add rustic beauty without costing anything. Nature gives us the most beautiful decorations, and they're absolutely free. Gather pine cones, dried branches, acorns, or winter berries. Place them in vases, bowls, or baskets to add rustic texture and authentic holiday charm. Nature reminds us of what Christmas is truly about: simplicity, warmth, and appreciating the beauty found in the world around us. As you've seen, the most meaningful Christmas decorations don't come from expensive stores. They come from creativity, intention, and the love that fills your home. This year, don't stress about spending more than you can. Instead, celebrate the magic of simplicity, and let your imagination turn ordinary things into extraordinary holiday beauty. Thank you for watching, and may your home be filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable moments this Christmas. Wishing you a warm, peaceful holiday season, and a beautiful home filled with love. You don't need to spend a lot to feel the Christmas magic. With creativity and warm intentions, every corner of your home can shine beautifully this holiday season. Happy decorating, and Merry Christmas!